All right, so today we're talking about simplifying algebraic expressions. Part of an algebraic expression is called a term. Like terms are the terms that have the same variables raised to the same exponents. Constant terms are also like terms. An algebraic expression in its simplest form is when it has no like terms or parentheses. You have to combine like terms that have variables and use the distributive property to add or subtract the coefficients. Simplify 8y plus 7y. So you have let me increase this size here. So you have 8y plus 7y. Okay. All right. So look at this as you have 8 yo-yos. Okay. You have 8 yo-yos, right? So it's not 8. All right. You have 8 y's. Then you have 7 y's. If you put them all together, okay, you get 15 y's. You'll have 15 yo-yos. Okay. Again, for example 2, you have the 2x plus 5 minus 3x minus 2. All right. If you kind of don't understand the distributive property, there's a video about the distributive property. Just go watch that video and then hop back over here. The 2 gets distributed to the x and also to the 5. What that means is that you'll have 2 times x plus 2 times 5. All right, I'm going to turn this into a plus negative 3. That way it's a negative 3 that gets distributed, and then a negative 3 that gets distributed there. All right, minus 3 minus 2. All right, so that would be 2x plus 10 minus, sorry about that, could have left that, minus 3x. Negative 3 times negative 2 is a positive 6. Now I combine my like terms. My like terms are variables that share the same variable to the same exponent, and then constant terms, and then your constant terms. So that would be 16, and then that would be 2x minus 3x, which is a negative x plus 16. So that would be your answer there. All right. Again, taking a look at example 3. And again, I understand that you have your example there, but I'm just going to work these out for you. Xy plus 3y minus 2x plus 5y minus 3xy. Like terms, same variable composition, right? Is that this is an x and a y. This is an x and a y. So that is a like term. This is just a y. This is just a y. So that is a like term. There is no like term for the negative x. So we'll just go ahead and put that over here all by its lonesome because that's going to be there. So we have a 1xy minus 3xy, which is a negative 2xy. A 3y plus 5y is an 8y minus the 2x. So this is our answer. All right, let's go through just a couple of these. Let's go through just a couple of these. All right, so this is going to be 8y minus 14. So you just say 8 minus 14 is a negative 6. So this is a negative 6y. Even though there's the parentheses, it doesn't really matter. We still will say x plus 3x plus 3 minus 7, which would be, this is a 1x, so that is a 4x minus 4. Again, we're going to do the exact same thing. All right, so this is very similar to what we had before, but again, we're going to change this to a positive, and that means we'll make everything negative inside the parentheses. So that's 9z minus 6z plus 12 minus 8, and that is a 3z minus, nope, wait, that's a positive, right? Sorry about that. That's a plus 4. All right, so same thing here. We have a QR, negative QR. All right, so those are going to go together. That will be a negative 2QR. Q squared. All right, let me use a different color so you can see it. This one matches up with this one, right? Same exponent, variable and exponent. So that's 2 minus 6, which is a negative 4Q squared. And then the only thing left is the negative r squared, so we'll put that at the end. Okay? So the only other ones that I might see that you might have a little difficulty with is, again, something like here, where you just take the s, distribute it to the 8 and the negative, so it would look like this: 8s minus 2st, alphabetical order. So it would look like something like that, right, as you're distributing. That's the only other thing I could see that would kind of hang you up. All right. If you have any questions, you can either email me or put them in the comments. All right. Thank you. And again, if you're having issues with the distributed property, check the distributed property video.